Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace the central locking switch on your door guys. If that thing doesn't work, sometimes your central locking will not work as well, or if you're trying to unlock the doors from the inside, okay, and that switch is bad, it will not work. So stay with us guys, we'll show you what needs to be done. We'll need to go ahead and remove the door panel. You will see why. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop guys, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So all you guys need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. Now, all the tools and parts guys, including the replacement switch, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll be demonstrating on the front left side, but the front right will be almost identical procedure guys. So what needs to be done now? We need to guys remove with a small screwdriver a few covers, because there are a few hidden screws guys. Okay, like this one right there. Check it out, there is a place where you pry it. Okay, and this cover comes out like that. There is one screw there guys, you can see with Torx. Now right here in the door handle you have one more, perfect, and there is another screw there guys. So now we need to get Torx 25 20s, Torx 20, start looking a bit like this one here, and we need to remove this screw guys and the one right there. So if you guys have any specific requests, drop a comment below, we'll try our best to make a video for your problem guys. Please do recommend us if you can. We're just trying to help as many people as we can. All our videos are for free, as you know. Perfect. Screw right there. So now plastic panel removal too, that one will be listed in the description of the video below. Now let's go ahead actually and remove the cover for the mirror first, okay, because that cover will be in the way guys. Okay, now he has one clip here and one on the bottom. This one came out, so with the clip removal tool right here guys, we have that one again in the description of the video. We'll remove it and install it on the cover, so to have it for later. Now with the same tool, okay, we're going to go ahead and start pulling the door open. Okay, you need to get underneath, grab with your fingers, start pulling out. All the clips will pop out, and we'll show you once we remove the panel where all the clips are located guys. After that you need to lift it up. That's why we had to remove okay, you can see the mirror cover, okay, right there. Now guys, we need to go ahead and disconnect. Okay, here you can see we have the lock. Okay, excuse me now. Let me show you now how it goes, because the camera wasn't focused. So let's bring the panel back a little bit. Okay, so this is the door handle cable here. Okay, and that thing, okay, we need to pull up and now pull it out, and then come out of the holder like that. After that guys, okay, we can go ahead and disconnect all the wires for the, okay, here for the window switch and for the mirror switch as well. So those guys are a little bit more complicated to do. So now that blue cable, that red thing, needs to come back. Pull it back like that. Okay, now press down here. Okay, and you'll be able to pull it out. If you can't, okay, let me pull that red thing out more. Okay, like that. Now this cable right here, press down, shake, pull it out. One more there, perfect. Okay, just like that, the door panel came out. Now let us explain you guys where all the clips are located. So starting from the back side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that fourth clip is missing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth clip is missing right here. We need to remove it guys. The fifth one here, 6, 7, 8, there guys, 8. So now let's go ahead and remove the one on the bottom, that yellow one. Okay, you can see it's still on the door. Now We'll have, guys, in the description of the video below, okay, where you can buy the replacement clips. Really good deal on clips, guys, so please check them out. Okay, and install it there. We didn't break any, so we don't have to replace them in our case, but sometimes on other vehicles, especially the one that's exposed to more heat and more years, they will, guys, crack and break sometimes. Okay, perfect. So that's how we remove the door panel. So once you guys remove the door panel out of the way, you can see this is the door lock and unlock switch, the central locking switch. Now the good thing, guys, okay, bad thing, you have to remove the door panel. Good thing, that switch is actually a separate switch from the window switch and the mirror switch, because on most cars you have to replace the whole assembly. On this Cruze, guys, good luck, we just have to replace that switch and it's fairly inexpensive. So this is the switch, guys, okay, right here. So how we remove it? Okay, there is one clip on this side and there is one on the other one. So if we just remove probably one of them, okay, spread it a little bit but not too much because it's very fragile. Okay, and let's see if it's going to come out, if it's through here or if we push down here. Okay, one of the two. Nope, it's actually this one there on the bottom, from what I can see. That's where it's coming apart. Okay, this one, that's the gray part. So we guys need to go ahead and spread it a little bit here and just pull it out. Okay, you can see we just spread it a little bit. Okay, then we'll try to push it out on the other side. Okay, and eventually, guys, it comes out. So we made a mistake. That's a good thing why you guys need to watch the video. It's not this part here or this one. It's that little tooth, okay, on the bottom right here that we need to spread out. This is, guys, the switch, so that's how you remove it. Check out in the description of the video below, guys, where we get ours from. So we'll go ahead, get the new one and put it together now. So we get, guys, a new switch now, and all we have to do, you just need to make sure you face it the correct way. Okay, with the wire facing towards the outside. Okay, it goes only one certain way. You cannot install it the wrong way, by the way. And just push it in until it locks in place. Okay, push hard. Okay, perfect. You can definitely hear the clicks. So from that point on, you have to go ahead, put the panel together, guys, install the wires, okay, the lock cable and all that stuff. So hopefully the video will be helpful to you guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.